In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Shopify. If you're a business owner, or you manage accounting and transactions, this integration can streamline your operations, providing you with a smoother, more efficient workflow. By the end of this session, you'll be set up to automatically sync your Shopify sales and all associated data with your Zoho Books account. To begin with, make sure that you have an active Zoho Books and Shopify account. You need to be logged into both the platforms. Start by navigating to your Zoho Books dashboard. Here, on the left-hand side, you'll find the Integrations tab. Click on it, and then select Marketplace. This is where we'll initiate the integration. Once inside the Marketplace, there's a search bar. Type in Shopify and press Enter. You should see the Shopify icon appear. Click this to open the Application Details page. On this page, click on the Install button. You'll be prompted to grant the necessary permissions for Zoho Books to access your Shopify account. This step is important because it's what allows the two platforms to communicate effectively. After accepting the permissions and following any on-screen instructions, Zoho Books will start the installation process. Next, let's enter our Shopify credentials to establish a connection. A page will pop up asking for your Shopify URL. This URL is usually your store name followed by the Shopify domain. Enter this and click Connect. You'll be directed to a Shopify login page if you're not already logged in, where you should enter your Shopify login details. When that's done, you'll be redirected back to Zoho Books indicating that the authentication has been successful. Now that the integration is authorized, it's crucial to configure settings according to your business requirements. In the Zoho Books integration settings for Shopify, you'll find several configuration options. Decide on whether you want to import all historical data or just future transactions. If you choose to import historical data, it might take a bit of time depending on the volume of transactions. Importantly, set up the synchronization frequency. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly syncs. Selecting a frequency doesn't affect the manual sync option, which can be handy for an immediate update. Also, specify how taxes, shipping, and discounts should be mapped, ensuring that financial data is accurately imported into Zoho Books. Double-check all settings to make sure they align with your business operations before saving your changes. Once that's done, initiate your first sync by clicking the Sync Now button. You should start seeing your Shopify transactions appearing in Zoho Books in a few moments. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now integrated with Zoho Books. This setup not only saves you from the hassle of manual data entry but also reduces errors, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like this video if it was helpful.